The biggest reason for your unhappiness is because you have been addicted to the idea that you have to do something and you have to be someone in order to be relaxed. And once you start going down that path, and this idea was sold to you unconsciously, and it's unfair, but that's irregardless. I mean, that's just the situation right now. Because everything that you're doing right now, or everything that you're trying right now, boiled down to its roots, is an effort to feel relaxed. But you will never be relaxed because all of the doing, all of the wanting happens in the mind. And the mind is always 1 to 100 steps removed from reality, from happening. Because to a person that says that they want to relax, they have a condition to what needs to happen in order for them to feel relaxed. For example, if these things at work are all in a line and I'm not being stressed out by what's happening outside of my life or outside of my work, then I can be relaxed. If my mood is right, then I can be relaxed. If this person didn't say something to offend me, then I can be relaxed. If I have these people around me, these certain people that I feel comfortable with, then I can be relaxed. All these little conditions that the mind has conditioned towards relaxation is what will separate you from going into the essence of what it means to relax. To be in tune with what is happening. And that is what happiness is in tune with the happening. And once you are in tune with the happening, then there will be no need for you to do anything. But the thing that makes it so difficult is dropping your conditioning and your addiction, really is what it is, to the mind's ideas of what needs to be done so you can relax. If I don't make X amount of money, then I can't feel relaxed this month. So you put all of your energy into making the amount of money that you want to make so you can feel relaxed. But then whenever you make that amount of money, then you make other conditions on top of that for you to feel more relaxed. All right, so I'm feeling good about these couple months, but shit, I got to start thinking about retirement. What am I going to do in 10 years, in 20 years? What about when I retire? What am I going to leave to my family? You see, it's not the conditionings that it's not the conditions that you think it is. It's the pattern of thinking that you need to do something or something that needs to be in place in order for you to be happy and go into relaxation. The thing that has to happen, the only condition for happiness, true happiness, is independence. If you understand the fullness of what it means to be independent, then happiness will flow on its own. And independence means not depending on the mind to dictate what needs to happen in your life in order for you to be happy. Because once you are independent, then you are at total ease with whatever is happening. Because whatever is happening is what life wants to give you in the moment. And life is giving you so much in the moment that if you were to just stop for a moment and listen, there will be no need for you to do anything, because so much joy is happening around that to do anything will be completely absurd. But because the mind has been conditioned by stimulation, all the stress that's been put upon you to succeed, to have to work, to the stimulation that's needed for you to distract yourself from the mind when you're outside of work, social media, entertainment, all these other things that you need to have in your social life, that you feel that you need to cram in between the space between your work and when you're off work and when you need to go back, is what's blocking you from seeing all of this. But the first step into moving into happening is dropping and creating space from the mind. And that starts with meditation. And when I mean meditation, I don't mean it in a way of you have to start doing 20 minutes of meditation or yoga or whatever you think it is in order to start seeing this. What I mean by this is start seeing the way the mind wants to interfere into what is happening in your life. Every little commentary that it has that's happening in your mind right now is away from meditation. But you starting to realize this is the first step in recognizing that there can be another way. And there's thousands of ways to move away from the mind. But the moment that you start exploring this on your own, creating your own methodology from seeing the mind and moving away from it, is when you can start being independent. And with independence, this music just happened on its own. That was just an awesome thing to happen. But that's when like shit like that will just start happening without you having to do anything. And this is what it means to be a human being, is the choice of being in the mind or not being with the mind.